Hey, good evening, guys. Good evening. I was looking for longs in gold, but I was waiting for a bullish candle closure. But in the last 1 hour, price just completely melted downside. So there is no sense. I'm just gonna wait for a 4 hour candle closure outside this zone, and then I can look for longs. Only the monthly time frame is lining up with this long bias because in only in monthly time frame we have a bullish breakout structure towards upside. In weekly time frame, it's a bearish breakout structure. In daily, pretty much same story. We're currently into a bearish out range. So let's wait for it. I'm gonna set my alert over here and let's wait for price to go outside the zone. I was also looking for longs in Euro USD, but I'm not gonna get involved into this trade because the higher time frames are not lining up. In daily, the last breakout structure was downside. We cannot consider this one as a breakout structure because we this is not a proper swing high. We don't have like lower highs both side of it. In weekly time frame, it's also a bearish breakout structure. In monthly, we are already in a bearish in range. So even though if we get some good rejection from this level, I'm still not gonna get involved into this trade. Same story for GBP USD. The daily structure is still bearish. In monthly, we are bearish, and in weekly okay, in monthly we are bullish, in weekly we are bearish. So if we find any good long setup in GBP USD, in that case we can go for a long, but right now I'm just gonna wait for price to drop here and then give me some good rejection from this level. So let's scan through the pairs starting from the Dixie. There is nothing in Dixie. Euro is dropping downside. GBP USD, same story. AUD USD, it's floating in a good profit. I have my stops at break even. We're already clearing this low. I have my take profit around this level. Let's see how it unfolds. NZD USD, pretty much same story. USD CAD, there is nothing. USD CHF, we're just creating a new breakout structure. So after creating a breakout structure, if price correct back lower, in that case I can look for longs. USD JPY, I'm waiting for a corrective phase down before I start looking for longs. Gold, I'm waiting for a closing outside this zone. GBP NZD, nothing is there. Skip. Okay, GBP JPY, nothing clean. In Euro JPY, I'm waiting for a deeper correction inside the zone and then a closing outside the zone. AUD CAD, nothing is clear here. AUD JPY, I'm gonna wait for a corrective phase up then and then a rejection downside. Oh, there is nothing clean right now. Okay, Euro JBP, I'm just holding this trade from last 3 days and it's just stuck inside a tight range. Let's see how it unfolds. I'm still in this trade. I'm still holding this position. If the daily candle managed to close like this one as a bullish one, in that case we can expect a new uh, start of the bullish trend. But let's see. Let's see how it unfolds. Euro AUD, nothing is there. Euro NZD, nothing. Skip. Euro CAD, I was waiting for a deeper correction downside, but I have to wait a little because we are already creating a new higher high. So there is nothing. GBP CAD, definitely a skip. GBP AUD also skip. I'm waiting for the deeper correction in GBP AUD. Then I can start looking for longs. GBP CHF, I'm holding this position towards the take profit. I have my stops at break even. AUD CHF, we are going low. And I'm in this short in NZD CAD. Let's see how it unfolds. I'm gonna trail my stop at break even after price if price managed to reach this level. NZD JPY, it's clearly dropping towards downside. There is nothing clean right now. NZD CHF, a skip. Euro CAD, I'm waiting for a deeper correction downside. Then I can start looking for longs. I have my alerts on this level. CAD JPY is playing out pretty good. I was planning for this short in the London session, pre-London session, but I missed this trade because of the poor execution and I was not like properly utilizing the daily time frame. The in daily time frame, the bearish breakout structure was not visible at that for me at that time. I'm just gonna let it play. Let's see how it unfolds. BTC is dropping. So yeah, there is nothing. There is no new setup yet. I'm again gonna wait for new setups, and I'm gonna hold my positions. My positions are running in a good profit right now. Um, just Euro GBP is stuck inside at around break even. AUD USD we're into good profit, floating profit, and NZD CAD is also trying to drop towards downside. So yeah, that's all from my side, and see you soon on the next session. Have a great day.